Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into this video. We've got a real quick mission today. It is to show you how to use the Alt+Tab feature to quickly toggle between two different files. In this case, you will have a looping PowerPoint show going that is set to completely loop until you exit out of that video. And then also have your main training slideshow slide deck on a separate deck. So what we'll do is we'll quickly demo how to use Alt+Tab, and once you've seen it, once you've gotten it, it'll be like turning on a faucet. It's really simple. So let's take a look at my main screen here, and you're going to see two different files. This one, as you can see with the highlight, it says loop deck. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take that loop deck, we're going to run over to the slideshow button, and we're going to push slideshow. And as you'll see, this is a loop deck. Each slide is set for an auto-timed period. So I think we're going to be coming up here. There's some magical loop going. So we've got this. This is set. You could leave this and come back in 3 hours and it will continue to loop. Got some nice little transitions going. So you're also going to want to have your training deck going. And what I'm doing right now is literally hitting Alt and then tapping the Tab key one at a time to loop through everything that's available and currently open up on my computer. So at this point, I am going to go ahead and open up the second deck, which is the main training deck. So if we comb through here, you'll see various slides with meeting leader guide notes below it. And I will put this deck into slideshow mode as well. So again, if I hit Alt+Tab, you will notice that we have a PowerPoint slideshow with the loop. We will also have just a bunch of other stuff on my screen, including the software I'm using to record this. But you can notice that we have these slides that say PowerPoint slideshow. So that's the active slideshow. The file right next to it is actually the native working document in normal view. So we do not want to toggle between those. But basically the trick is you want to hit Alt and then Tab, and then just make sure that you've placed your two slideshows right next to each other like this. And then every time you hit Alt+Tab, you will be able to toggle right between the two. So right now I've just Alt+Tab back to that main loop. I'm going to hang out here for a second. And what we're going to do is get a chance to see that the loop is still working. So that loop is going, it's running, and when it's time for the show, all you need to do is hit Alt+Tab and go back to your main show, and then you're off to the races and can continue your training. So some of the common questions I've had when people use Alt+Tab is they will hit Alt and then Tab at the same time, and if you do that, you can see your computer goes bonkers. So what you want to do is just hit Alt and then physically tap the Tab key while holding Alt down. Or if you want your computer to go bonkers, go ahead and hold it like that. Looks like a 1980s video game. Your call. Free country, you can do what you want. But that is the key to using Alt+Tab. My name is Michael Teal. Hopefully you enjoyed this and train well. Thank you so much and have a great day.